I tried Slingshot Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Slingshot Wallet app, I thought it would be just another decentralized exchange with a fancy interface. But after 7 days of hands-on testing, the shocking truth is that Slingshot might be one of the fastest and most intuitive DeFi wallets I've ever used. Day 1 started strong. The app connected instantly to multiple blockchains including Polygon, Arbitrum, and Base without any complicated setup. No sing-up, no kick, just instant access to trading. By day 2, I was exploring swaps. Slingshot's big advantage is speed. It aggregates liquidity from multiple decentralized exchanges to find the best possible trade rate in real time. Most people get this wrong. They think all swaps are the same, but Slingshot consistently delivered better prices and faster execution. By day 4, I noticed another surprising feature: real-time price charts and portfolio tracking built right into the interface. It felt like using a pro-level trading app, but without the clutter or fees of centralized exchanges. On day 6, I pushed it further by trying cross-chain swaps. The experience was nearly seamless. Transactions confirmed in seconds, and I never had to leave the app. Security-wise, everything is non-custodial, meaning I had full control of my private keys. By day 7, the shocking truth was clear: Slingshot isn't just another DeFi wallet. It's a full-fledged trading terminal disguised as a mobile app. It combines speed, flexibility, and simplicity better than most big-name competitors. If you're into crypto trading, but hate the complexity of multiple apps and exchanges, Slingshot might be the hidden gem you've been looking for. Fast, efficient, and completely in your control, it's the kind of wallet that makes DeFi finally feel easy.